Hi and welcome to how to find image WMTS for your Planet subscription. For this you will need ArcGIS Pro, the Planet Add-in and a subscription login. So first of all, if you don't have the add-in, you will need to go to developers.planet.com/integrations where you will find a link to download the add-in. This will take you to a page, learn.planet.com/arc-gis-v2, where you can then type in your details to get a link to the download. Once this is downloaded, you will need to install, so make sure that you have enough permissions on your machine to install this. You'll know it has been installed for when you open up ArcGIS Pro, you will see a new tab. And if you click on Project and down to Add-in Manager, you will see Planet Explorer listed there. Now, if we have a look at the add-in, you will see there is a number of buttons available. Firstly, allowing you to search for images, search for base maps, look at images inside of your base maps, task if you have SkySat access, and then order status to check any of your downloads. Now you will need to log in. You'll see here I've already signed in using the account button. And if you have any problems at all, there are links under the Planet information for you to get help or further documentation. So from there you want to open up the image search, the first button at the top left hand corner, and this will open a tab on the right hand side for you to search imagery. Now from there you may wish to go into an area of interest and you can click on Extent to select exactly that extent. You can also click Draw, which will allow you to draw a polygon, and you can also hit Selection if you do already have a feature class or a shapefile that is available as a polygon in your map already. So from there, you will then want to click on the extra filter options to select what source of imagery, your dates, as well as cloud cover or area cover or any extra information that you may want to fill in. This includes if you are searching for an individual image, you can paste in its ID, which you may have copied from Planet Explorer. So once you're ready, click back and you're now ready to hit search if you're ready to search with those filters in that area. This will then provide you a list with a number of images that are available. You may need to zoom out if you want to view the footprints, which you can do by hovering over the image on that right-hand side. Once you've found an image of interest, click on Select and you'll see that there is a button on the right-hand side to add it into your map. Select that and you will see now on your left-hand side in your table of contents that image has now been added. Simply hit the little arrow to expand it out to view the individual image. You can then zoom in and see that this image is being streamed as a web map tile service now inside of your ArcGIS Pro map window. From here there are other actions. You can copy the request that you made, which will generate code that you could then use to download or use the API later. You can also copy your API key and the selected ID for the image. There is also an order button if you are able to download through your subscription. So what you might also want to do is right click on the image in the table of contents and head to the source tab. This will allow you to view the WMTS information for that individual image. This will allow you to paste this URL into another GIS program such as ArcGIS Online to use this inside of a web map. If you have any further questions, feel free to chat to us today.